What are you doing with that paper bag? You playing with that? She looks way too excited. Yeah, you enjoying your paper bag, huh? Yeah. Oh, bless you, sweetie.
$10,000 worth of toys. She wants a paper bag. That's my girl. I remember when you had a Christmas, Jessica, and you had all kind of toys, and what you ended up playing with was an empty Gatorade can with a little plastic thing in. Plink, plink, plink. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, bless you, honey. Oh, man. Yummy, huh? Well, maybe not yummy, but...
Yeah, it don't taste good, sweetie. It makes a neat noise. She's gonna be a drummer.
Alright, I think we're about out of video time, so...
Make sure that goes on my computer.
Yes, it's definitely gonna go on your computer. Alright, bye-bye bag time.